Hello guys, this is Sukada Kotak this side from EduCARE. Welcome back to our channel for daily current affair videos. आज डिस्कस करेंगे करंट अफेयर्स ऑफ 7th and 8th September 2022. The Union Home and Corporation Minister Amit Shah has said that a committee which has been constituted to draft a national cooperative policy for the holistic development. While inaugurating a two-day national conference of the state corporation ministers in New Delhi, he said that every state will have a representation in it. The policy's focus area will be free registration, computerization, and domestic elections. The focus will be also on ensuring the active membership, professionalism, leadership, and the transparency. As per Union Minister Amit Shah, currently there are 65,000 active primary agriculture credit societies in the country. The government plans to establish 3 lakh primary agricultural societies in the next upcoming 5 years. The Defense Research and Development Organization and the Indian Army have successfully completed 6 flight tests of the QRSAM system. The flight tests by the DRDO were conducted as a part of evaluation trials by the Indian Army. The flight tests were carried out against the high-speed aerial targets, mimicking various types of threats to evaluate the capability of the weapon systems under the different scenarios. The Government of India has announced to set up 300 cargo terminals under the PM Gati Shakti framework for the next 4 to 5 years. It will further reduce the logistics cost by a huge margin and attract more cargo to the Indian railways. As per Railway Minister, the Rail Ministry has received 93 firm applications for setting up the multi-modal cargo terminals, of which over 60 applicants have expressed their strong desire for the project. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will inaugurate Kartavya Path on 8th September 2022. It symbolizes a shift from the erstwhile Rajpath being an icon to power to Kartavya Path being an example of public ownership and empowerment. Prime Minister will also unveil the statue of Netaji Subhash Bose at India Gate on the occasion. These mentioned steps are in line with the Prime Minister's second Panch Pran for the new India in Amrit Kal, that is to remove any trace of the colonial mindset. Kartavya Path will exhibit beautiful landscapes, lawns with walkways, green spaces, new amenity blocks, and improves signages. Justice D.Y. Chandrachud said that the constitution bench held by him will be a green bench and also asked the lawyers not to submit any papers or physical documents. The observation of the bench came while hearing a dispute between the Delhi government and the central government over the control of the administrative services in the national capital. That's it, guys. The first question for the day is, E-Dakhil portal is an initiative of which of the following central ministry? The second question is, which of the following Indian cities have joined the UNESCO Global Network of the Learning Cities? The third question is, Bharat Chodo Yatra by the Congress Party will cover how many states? The next question is, the government of India has decided to rename Rajpath as. The last question for the day is, in collaboration with which country conducted the cyber security exercise for 26 countries? Please mention your answers in the comment box below. The person who is giving a correct answer will be given a shout out in the next upcoming video. The answers to the questions asked in the previous video are, who has become the 56th Prime Minister of the United Kingdom? The correct answer is option A, Liz Truss. The next question was, which has become the first country to approve world's first needle-free inhaled version of the COVID-19 vaccine? The correct answer is China. The next question is, who has developed India's first nasal vaccine against COVID-19 that received DCGI's approval? The correct answer is Bharat Biotech. Shout out to Rujusha and Ruksar Siddiqui for giving the correct answers in the previous video. That's it, guys. Stay connected to our channel for daily current affair videos. For more such MCQ questions, please download the app from the link which is given in the description box below. We also conduct classroom classes which are available in Dombivli and Ghatkopar. Also, online lectures, live class, recorded lectures, books, ebooks, and test facilities are available. For more information, you can contact on the number which you can see on your screens.